video wherein I am trying to self-motivate myself because it's totally not working out. So my khud ka motivation has ran out. Hello, it is me, Aisiri again, and for the 1000th time I am at home and I gotta be real with y'all. I'm not able to study and that is kind of sad, and it means that my strategy is not working. So I have my massive whiteboard behind me and we're going to understand the root cause. We're going to diagnose why Aisiri can't study and we're going to make a plan ahead, and we're just going to feel motivated after this because I have a feeling that there might be some reasons why I can't study. Starting from this guy over here, 2 actual reasons. So we're going to find that out today. This whiteboard, I used it a lot during my NEET preparation and even before that because I really used to love teaching and explaining to no one concepts. We're just going to get to planning right now. And don't judge my attire. See, घर में बहुत कम clothes हैं, so we have to deal with what we have. But let me get another marker, and we're going to get to good planning because Aisiri really needs to study and work hard. I'm not capable of motivating anyone else because I am khud demotivated. So it's time to come up with reasons and find solutions, because if you know there's a problem, there'll always be a solution. And even if you didn't know that, see, discipline, I read the quote the other day, discipline is choosing what you want to do right now and what you need to do or want to do in the long run. Golden words, but that didn't motivate me either. So we're stuck with this now. Let me get the other whiteboard marker. Reasons to why I cannot study. I have come up with reasons to why I should be studying. We need to come up with solutions, but before that we need to really categorize, are these actual reasons or am I just making them up? Because some of them are stupid and I will erase them because they're so proof and all. But we shall see. I'll discuss them with y'all. First reason, घर में पढ़ाई नहीं होती. See, this is actually not true, at least in my case, because I have studied at home for 17 years. I did my NEET preparation at home. Maybe going to hostel has brought in some changes within me, but there are no distractions at home. My brother's not here. Cats are there, that's another reason. We'll go through that later. But it's peaceful and I have so many study locations, and hopefully from next week I shall go to the library. So actually it's not a reason, but yes, at hostel a lot of people were like, घर क्यों जा रहे हो, उधर पढ़ाई तो होता नहीं है, तो आपका time waste हो जाएगा. They were like, they weren't able to study when they went during first year. So that could be a possibility. I have heard from other people कि घर में पढ़ाई नहीं होती, so I have started believing in that and made this kind of pseudo impression कि like मैं घर आई हूँ इसलिए पढ़ाई नहीं हो रहा है. घर आके it is actually like a fighter for me. Whether it's food, whether it's taking care of my health, whether it's going here, there, I have a supervisor and I just have to do my work. It could also be like because I am so much at leisure at home that it has not come into me, which leads me to the next here, not hit me yet. That could be a possibility. Prelims ke time I had just 20 days to complete a huge syllabus, and at that point it was clear for me ki before prelims, I need to finish the portions as fast as possible, even if it's just superficial, so that prelims ke baad I won't have to have that sort of headache कि बहुत बाकी है, एक बार भी नहीं हुआ. So because I had that clear goal, it was me striding towards that goal and I had no way out. So I need to come up with a more firm and a more aggressive goal to work towards. If I don't do it, it will be a problem. So that is an issue. Let me just write it down. Now, burnout, ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता because after my theory prelims, I was totally dissociated from studies. I studied like 5% for my practicals. Pura din I was in my room having fun, going to Piproni, the water area place in Silvassa, and just watching House MD. So I was burnt out at that point of time, but then for 10 days I was just enjoying myself and dissociating myself from studies completely. And even the train journey back, which was for 2 days, it was a nice time. So I even read some books, story books, and I just was able to get a clear mind and perspective. So I'm not facing a burnout, but the after phase of a burnout, when you have full motivation, that has not come in yet, which is why I need to come up with an aggressive goal. Yeah, my list is getting shorter, but it's kind of good. See, by shortening my list, I am kind of coming up with actual valid reasons. And all of these things which were eating up my head, ki main ghar aayi, or I'm just burnt out, all of these are not even true. They're false claims of mine. The camera stuff is distracting me. That is true, to be honest. At least, see, yesterday was the actual first day when I didn't record anything, but I studied really well. Like, really well in the sense, good. I didn't study the entire day, but then it worked out. I studied in the morning and afternoon, but I didn't record anything because I was sick and I had a cold. So you would just be seeing me cough and all. But compare that day to 2 days ago, I was worried about the camera. Is it positioned properly? Is my storage full? Is my cat coming? Am I coming? Is it even recording? Or is it too long? Is it too short? So they kept on eating me up subconsciously. So I think the camera stuff is kind of distracting me. It's a positive thing because I like making the videos, but then even after I upload it, I have this bad habit of kind of checking if people have seen it or not. I mean, I think everyone does that, but I don't know, I do that sometimes. I keep my phone away, but then sometimes I think कितना views आ गया या तो कितने लोग देख लिए ऐसा, तो वो करना नहीं चाहिए पर मैं करती हूँ. So that is one reason that the camera stuff is kind of distracting me. We need to have a solution for that, but this is a probable reason, not a probable, like 90% I'm sure that this thing is distracting me and not really helping me. I know that this was the reason, but I kept on telling myself that it is not, because then that would mean that I'm not able to manage my studies with YouTube. So yeah, but it is a reason, and I'm happy that I'm accepting it. Tax are not an issue. Yeah. I can't believe I even put that up there. Imagine if that was the reason. That would be hilarious. आपका यूनिक क्यों अच्छा नहीं हुआ? उनके घर में पढ़ाई नहीं हो रहा था क्योंकि हर बार मेरे बिल्ली आ रहे थे. Oh, that would be so funny. My plan is shitty. Yeah, totally. I made one bakwas plan, a stupid plan. I can't even believe that I came up with such a stupid plan, and I thought I would even have time to complete other things. Where is that book? Lovely book. I had written so many things. कि ये कर सकती हूँ एक दिन में, वो कर सकती हूँ. I need to change it. It was an awful plan. Awful. When I say awful, I mean it, man. Like I thought पूरा paper to micro एक दिन में हो जाएगा. पैथो का पूरा जनरल और कैंसर का सारे कैंसर ट्यूमर्स वो भी एक दिन में हो जाएगा. एक भी नहीं हुआ. So प्लान को चेंज करना ही पड़ेगा. There's no way out there. And why do I need to study? This is for myself because I am making study videos. So if the study creator doesn't study, then you're a hypocrite. Yeah, that was a problem. That is one reason which I'm scared about and which I really need to study for. Okay, we've already done the hard part, huh? One of my friends was saying, जब मेरे prelims में when I felt burnt out, I was like, अब से पढ़ाई नहीं होगा, हो गया मेरा, थक गई मैं. So he was like, see, if you do it now, when you don't feel like studying later on, you will remember that when you were in that mushkil time, you were actually able to study. Okay. So if you do it now, which is your hardest, lowest point, when you feel like you're facing another low phase in your life, you'll be like, उस time मैंने किया था और अच्छे से किया था, and it worked out in the end. So इस बार भी वही करना है. So because I've already proved to myself that I can study when I don't feel like studying, I should be able to do that again. Okay, yeah, that was golden words. Rewatch it if you can't, or if you didn't understand. so what I'm gonna do is tomorrow I'm gonna spend some time just going through previous year questions. Those are my dogs, yeah. I'm just gonna spend some time going through some previous year questions. तो अगर मैं वो थोड़ा करूँगी, then some fear factor will set in, and that will act as passive aggression कि अब तो करना चाहिए. That is one solution. Next one is, so from the past few days, I mean from yesterday, I've been setting study time as key. Out of 10 things I want to accomplish, I will set 1 hour timers or 1.5 hour timers. उसमें कितना हो सकता है मैं करूँगी और फिर मैं आगे बढ़ूँगी. Problem which I was doing today and yesterday was I would set 1 hour timer, I would stay focused, but I wouldn't complete the chapter. So instead of doing what I was supposed to do, it's okay, leave it for now, then move on, I would set another 1 hour and do the same portions. So that would lead to a loop, which was just like what I had done previously, that out of 10 things, I'm only doing one thing. But instead of that, I should do little bit of everything. So that's the reason why you are putting a timer. Next thing is stick to your study locations. Library में पढ़ाई होता था because I had only 2 locations. One was in the sofa sitting area for the morning block. Then in the evening I would sit with other people, that वो वाला normal table वाला. So I had only 2 study locations. So here it's so easy. जब मन होता है तो मैं बेड में पढ़ूंगी, या तो मैं बाहर जाऊंगी, या तो इधर पढ़ूंगी, नीचे पेट के पढ़ूंगी, या तो डेस्क में पढ़ूंगी. So that doesn't work out because your brain takes time, at least my mind, it takes time to adapt to a location. Even though I don't realize it, it is true. So I should just stick to 2 locations. अगर मैं घर में पढ़ रही हूँ तो एक तो इस डेस्क में जहाँ पे एम्बर भी बैठते हैं, और दूसरा है is sitting down within this vicinity. Don't change your study location, Aisiri. It's not the time. वैसे तो सिर्फ 10 ही दिन है घर में, so it's okay. Sorry, it's just my cough, you know. Khasi. So last thing is look at the bright side of being at home. So yeah, that's a lot of study motivation for one day. All we gotta do now is look at this and get to studying. If there's one thing which I hope you all got from this video is I am not this highly motivated person who is like, I've come home, अब तो पढ़ाई every minute of the day होगा. ऐसा I wanted, पर ऐसा हुआ नहीं. So even though I'm making this study series, I am in my own struggles. Yeah. But that's not what I wanted you all to take from the video. Yeah, I wanted you all to understand that it is totally normal for you to feel demotivated, for you all to feel like कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा है, इतना ही दिन बचा है, but I'm still not feeling like I should study. So it's normal. It happens to many people. I don't know if it happens to everyone, but it happens to me. At that time, you should realize it and then start analyzing it. A lot of the time your brain makes these false excuses which seem real, but until you sit down and go through that in your head and logically think through it, will you be able to understand whether it's an actual issue or you're just making it up. See, out of these things, if I had written down 10 points on why I can't study, 8 of them were just false. They didn't even make sense. The 2 were actual points, and I was able to identify that and come up with proper solutions. So that is another gyan from Aisiri. I'm glad I did this, and hopefully my khasi will go away. And the, what do you call this? Thoda bhul gayi. शीतल ಎಂತ ಹೇಳುದು शीतಕ್ಕೆ मुझे ये हो गया जुकाम मुझे थोड़ा जुकाम भी है और खांसी भी है. बुखार था, अभी नहीं है, मतलब थोड़ा है, but then I stay strong, you know. Okay, come back next week or whenever I'm going to upload for more time out with Aisiri. Bye.